I-Action SA ithi yalelwe izinhlanga zeqembu kuba yakhe izinhlelo zokusebenzisana ne-ANC.
Our position has had to change since the 29th of May. We've always been a political party that has been unequivocal on the question of not working with the ANC. And I think while we may hold the view that this is not a coalition arrangement and not a co-governance arrangement, we must also be clear to say that we cannot work with another political party can no longer be the case after the 29th of May.
Ngezihlalo zayo ezingama-44 edolobheni laseGoli, i-Action SA ithi ukweseka kwayo-ANC angeke kwenzeke njalo uma kudingeka.
Our support is similarly conditioned upon the removal of the mayor, Kabelo Gwamanda, who, as the caucus leader has so eloquently put it, has let down the residents of the city most profoundly. It is also conditioned upon the reversal of the 200 Rand surcharge imposed by City Power on prepaid electricity users across our city, the heartless imposition of which has been responded very negatively to by the residents of Johannesburg.
I-ANC ngenzeka iphakamise igama likaDada Morero ongumphathiswa womnyango wezezimali kwesobumeya nowaba yimeya izinsuku ezingama-25 ngo-2022. I-Action SA kubukeka ingeke iphikisane nalokho.
Obviously, we've not really discussed with the ANC who they must put in as the mayor. The only thing we said, the current mayor that we don't want. We've got it proof that I think our caucus leaders already indicated to you this person, this job is way beyond his capacity.
Uma nje seqediwe eGoli, i-Action SA ithi izokube isifaka isiphakamiso sokungabethembi ubuholi bemeya yaseTshwane lapho kulindelwe khona uhlelo olufanayo lokusebenzisana ne-ANC bese ke iqembu lifaka imeya yalo.